Assalamualaikum 3 class. I'm your skills teacher. Today we will write an essay on camel. In our previous lecture we learned that how we can write an impressive essay on cow. In the same way I'll give you my main headings and you will make an essay on camel. Don't copy from anywhere. The key books, any sort of you can say the material that you have. Don't try to copy or cram the essays. Just try to create by yourself. I'll give you the main headings and you will make the whole sentence by using these headings. So let's start the essay on camel. So let's start that camel is a domestic animal like cow. Camel जो है वो भी एक domestic animal है, एक ऐसा जानवर है जो कि पाला जाता है घरों में, ठीक है. See the second point. Small face, small head. It has small head, long neck, small tail, tiny tail. You can say 4 slender legs. सिलेंडर कहते हैं दुबली पतली टांगे हैं, ठीक है. उसका छोटा सा सर होता है, लॉन्ग नेक लंबी सी गर्दन होती है, स्मॉल टेल छोटी दुम होती है, ठीक है, एंड 4 स्लेंडर लेग्स और पतली पतली लंबी लंबी जो हैं वो 4 टांगे होती हैं. चौपाया है. इट्स अ 4 legged animal. The third point that it has hump on its back. इसकी जो कमर है उस पर एक hump होती है, कोहान होती है, ठीक है. If we see camel, there is a hump on its back जिसमें वो वाटर को स्टोर करता है, ठीक है, फूड को और वाटर को टेम्परेरीली स्टोर करता है. It has a big stomach to store water for many days. बहुत बड़ा इसका जो है वो मैदा होता है, पेट होता है, ठीक है, इसमें वाटर को स्टोर करता है for many days. It's called the sheep of desert. Camel is called the sheep of desert. So very important point that the camel is known as sheep of desert. ये deserts में बहुत ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं, ठीक है, and they are called the sheep of deserts. The feet of camel are modified in pads, just kind of shoes. अगर हम जो camel है, if we see the feet of camel, they are very wide, चौड़े होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है, एंड दे आर मॉडिफाइड इनटू पैड्स. जैसे पैड है उस तरह एक मोटा स्टफ़ जो है वो उस उनकी जो फीट हैं उसमें पाया जाता है. जस्ट काइंड ऑफ शूज़, जो शूज़ की तरह बिहेव करता है टू मेक देम एबल टू वॉक ऑन हॉट सैंड. जो इसको हॉट सैंड, गर्म रेत पर, डेजर्ट्स में गर्म रेत होती है उसके ऊपर वॉक करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हैं. द फीट आर मॉडिफाइड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द सैंड ऑफ डेजर्ट्स दैट दे आर दे आर कंफर्टेबल टू वॉक ऑन हॉट सैंड. The people who live in desert ride on its back and carry luggage. The camel is used to carry luggage in deserts. From one place to another, it's used to carry luggage in deserts. From one place to another. In short, we can say that it's a very useful mean of transportation in deserts. See, it's a very useful mean of transportation in deserts. The fine brushes are made from its hair and इसके जो बाल हैं उससे जो है वो फाइन ब्रशेज़, हेयर ब्रशेज़ और या फिर जो शू ब्रशेज़ होते हैं वो इसके बालों से बनते हैं. It's also include the paint brushes. Camel is known as a beast of burden. यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा लोड ये उठा सकता है easily, ठीक है. So it's called as a beast of burden. Very important point it is that the camel is known as a beast of burden. The people get milk from camel. We also get meat from camel, the flesh of camel is also eaten by the people. It's very useful. It also gives us milk as well as the meat. The camel eat dry fodder, घास फूस सूखा चारा, ठीक है, खाते हैं क्योंकि डेजर्ट्स में अवेलेबल है वो है ड्राई फॉडर. ग्रास, इट ऑल्सो ईट्स ग्रास, फ्रूट्स, लीव्स. And the last point, that it's very useful for mankind. So very easy topic. We have chosen that to write an essay on camel. I have made some main points, main headings I have given to you. You can make the very complete line by using a grammar, and you can also add the lines that are in your knowledge. You can also prolong the essay by using main lines. You can add more lines to make an essay more impressive. All right. And the second thing, that you also have to learn these information, so that it may be helpful for you right while creating essay when no heading is given to you. So it must be on your fingertips, that how we can write an essay on camel. So this is your today's lecture.